A people whose material is as simple as that of the Nuer are highly dependent on their environment. At heart they are herdsmen, and the only labor in which they delight is the care of cattle. They not only depend on cattle for many of life's necessities, but they have the herdsman's outlook on the world. Cattle are their dearest possession, and they gladly risk their lives to defend their herds or to pillage those of their neighbors.
The Nuer are involved with their cattle in a detailed and elaborate fashion. Certainly their lives depend on their livestock, but they enjoy their cattle in an intellectual and emotional way as well. Young boys, for example, take the names of their favourite bulls, and the names the cattle are given themselves are taken from a vast vocabulary of terms used to describe type of colour, pattern of marking, shape of horns, and so on. Songs are composed about the beauty of particular beasts and actually sung to the animals themselves. And of course, Nuer folklore is full of stories about splendid cattle. The Nuer love their cattle. Cattle can also be seen as links in certain social relationships. They certainly trace the ties of kinship. A dead man's herd, for example, is divided up among his sons who have tended that herd all their lives. Cattle are also at the centre of certain social processes. They're used in payment, in compensation for settling certain feuds. And if a man wants to marry, he has to recompense his wife's family for the loss of a daughter. This bride wealth, as it's called, consists of a gift of cattle. Evans Pritchard said that cattle were the idiom through which the Nuer think. They stand for so many things in the lives of these people.
The Nuer, like most pastoral peoples, are poetic, and most men and women compose songs which are sung at dances and concerts, or are composed for the Creator's own pleasure and chanted by him in lonely pastures and amid the cattle in camp kraals. When they feel happy, youths break into song, praising their kinsmen, sweethearts and cattle wherever they may be.
Girls of the Nuer era will know you only when you have these big bulls, because you will enjoy life. You will go around advertising, showing yourself up to the people. But only when you have bulls that you can go around and sing your own songs, or show, you can dance the traditional way. Otherwise, if you don't have bulls, you cannot go around dancing in the cattle camp.
Why do boys compose songs about their cattle?
Yeah, to express their being important in the society. Their importance is based on that of owning these big bulls, and because of their ownership of these big bulls, they are loved by girls, and they are known. They are nicknamed after them, and they also show up important occasions.
Now, you mentioned that a boy gets his bull name and his bull when he's marked. Are you referring to these scars on your forehead?
Yes, indeed.
What do they mean?
To Nuer, they are called gar, meaning that I'm a man. I'm now free from boyhood, but I'm a man now. As a man, I'm entitled to be killed by enemy side, and I'm entitled to marry now a girl, or to be loved by a girl, or to own a big bull. This is what it means to Nuer life. I cannot easily fear you because I'm a man nowadays.
Simon, do you remember your bull song?
Yeah.
Can you sing it?
Anyway,
what does that mean?
It means this cattle camp of Danyangwak, Tiang Yot, Chagi, Nyapan. I had a girl, lover, in it. I'm marked, and being a man, having my bulls, I fought severe sectional war in it, and my manhood is known by everyone here. This is how it means. So I have bull, to which people know me after. I had girlfriends because being a man of my generation, and I also faced dangers with my colleagues in my area. This is how it means. Not now, but some times ago, you know.